In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar bushings on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to remove these bolts, use a 18mm socket. Do the same on the other side. Slide those off. Slide the bracket off. Just pull. Using a utility knife, we're just going to slice it. You can kind of see where it went together. Yours may already have the slice in it, so you might not have to do this. There we go. And slide that off. Here's the new bushing. You want to just slide this open. It's a little bit tricky sometimes. Twist that in position. We'll do the same with the other one. I take the brackets, line those up. Just using a pull jack just to raise this up to get it in position. If you are struggling with this, you could always take the links off and get the bar in position, but you don't have to. Put the bolts back in, get those started. Start snugging those down. Try to do it evenly back and forth. Same with the other side. Now we're going to torque those bolts to 66 foot-pounds. You can remove the pull jack, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.